Hello and welcome to the Trade with Precision free newsletter for the first week of February 2012. My name's Craig Cobb. Guys, we had a massive response for one-on-ones the last couple of weeks for goal setting. And first of all, there's been some fantastic responses there in terms of the replies that I'm getting from people and the well-structured goals that they've got in place. So well done for a lot of you. There is, however, something that's a bit concerning for me. A lot of people don't have a strategy. So many people out there are sort of umming and ahhing, I want this and I want that, and they're saying, how they got these goals, and some people are ambitious, far too ambitious, some people are realistic, and some are in the middle. The problem is, though, is that how do you expect to achieve these goals without having a consistent strategy and a consistent approach to the market? Now, in this particular webinar, I want to go into technical trading strategy for this exact reason. I want to convert, take you from this goal setting mindset to the actual work part. And to achieve your goals, you're going to have to put in some work. So today we're going to have a look at technical trading strategy, and I'll take you through that. So today I want to sort of introduce you to how we manage our strategies and how we create them. Now, for anybody who's done any Trade with Precision courses, you'll obviously have a number of checklists that are based on our strategies, and you'll obviously understand what I'm talking about here and the importance of having one. But for those of you who are out there who are not, who have not done any courses with Trade with Precision, I just want to give you this little snippet because quite often you'll have a lot of technical ability. You'll understand technical analysis and a lot about it. But what you haven't done is you haven't sort of put it together into a place where you can understand how to use it to create a strategy where it creates profits. Now, if you want to get consistent returns in your trading, then you need to have a consistent approach. It's fairly straightforward, that one. So we're going to look today at touching base on how we can actually have some strategies, and we're going to have a look at some important things here. Now, obviously, we are technical traders here at Trade with Precision, as I would imagine a lot of you out there listening today will be as well. And we're going to start with this. The first thing I want to really look at is a checklist, okay? Because technical analysis alone does not make money. Okay, you understand that. I understand that. I think everyone's fairly up to date with the fact that not understanding what MACD does or even how it's calculated does not make you any money unless you're writing books on it. What makes money is a strategy, and have you got one written out? Well, let's have a look. This is actually taken from one of our courses. Okay, now you'll be able to see this on our webinars. We run the free webinars on our website, but just to sort of show you some of the ways that we go about this, and literally every course, everything that we run, every strategy is about breaking it down into step-by-step processes where you literally tick them off. You can rip this page out of one of the course manuals and have it stuck on your wall just like I do. But if you don't have this strategy, not a problem. Let's start to have a look at some of the things that you can look to do. Now, if you have got a large list of areas of technical analysis that you understand, like moving averages, MACDs, RSIs, whatever it is you use, certain areas where price is looking for a bounce, anything like that, don't just have it stored in your mind, because you can forget that. And it can be open to your own interpretation and emotion at that any given point in time when you're actually looking at the market. Write it down. I mean, come on, see how many you can come up with. Now, we've got 8 essentials right here, and for us, we score out of 10. So the essentials you must have, there's 8 of them, you must have every single one of these 8. So before we even get to looking at placing the trade, we must have these 8 essential rules. Okay, every single trade. But not only this, we've got the 8 essentials, but then we move on to our bonus factors. And our bonus factors give us the ability to then go and kind of cherry pick the best trades that we like out there in the market. So the bonus factors here, these are worth 0.25 of a point. Okay. Now we're scoring out of 10. So obviously the first 8 are our essentials. They score 1 point each, and then we've got 0.25 that scores for each of these. So obviously if we get 4 bonus factors, we've got a 4-point makes us a 9 out of 10 now. If we have 8 or more than 8, we cannot score higher than a 10. Okay, so 10 is the limit. It's as simple as that. So then what you need to do is you've got your essential rules that you stick to for every single trade. Then you come to the bonus factors to really point out the best trades. And the reason we have this is because you'll know as well as I do. Sometimes the markets are quiet, sometimes they're full on. And when they're full on, we don't want to take 10 trades at any one time. Okay, we want to pick the best trades. The trades that are the best trades are the ones with the highest probability, and the way we can work at the highest probability is working at the highest score based on not just the essentials, but the bonuses. That's how you can pick the best trades for you at any given time. Now, if you want consistent trading results in 2012, then fantastic. You need to have a consistent approach. If you haven't got our strategies and you've got your own, write them down. Give yourself a chance this year, okay? Because if you want consistency, you have to approach it consistently. Now, guys, to learn about your strategy and to really understand what it is, and you know what, if you haven't got a strategy, then perhaps we can help you with that. But one of the really, really beneficial things for you this week to come is going to be joining us on one of our webinars. Now, all you need to do is go to tradewithprecision.com. This is the web page right here. Come over to this link here, free webinars. Click on that. Once you click on that, it will take you to this website where you can then go through and choose these 4 different webinars that we run each week. Now, the webinar that we've got coming up next week is this one up here, Trading Strategy, what it means to trade with precision. And we're going to be looking at what strategy is, understanding the difference between trading strategy and technical analysis, and a bunch more. Now, all you need to do is select the date, which is 7th of February 2012, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and click register now. Once you've clicked register now, you'll put some details in and you will be registered for that particular event. It's going to be extremely important that you guys are on that. It's important to understand that this whole learning process is a constant ongoing process. Just because you watch a few free bits and pieces here and there will not get you to where you want to be in terms of your trading successes and your goals. So put the work in, put the effort in. We are more than happy to help you out as far along the journey as we possibly can, but first we need to see some effort from you guys. So thanks very much for listening. I hope this has been beneficial and very useful for you all. And look guys, I really look forward to seeing a whole stack of you on next week's webinar on the 7th of February. Have a great week trading. Take care. Speak to you next week. Bye.